If you don't have a pressure washer, you don't need to worry, as I'll be showing you how to clean your wheels with a garden hose spray gun in today's video. This is where we need good powerful products to do the job for us, as the pressure from the garden hose gun is not strong enough to blast away what's stuck on the wheels, especially on the tyres. We'll need a bucket that's half filled with water, and you'll see me putting a large and small barrel brush, tyre scrubbing brush, detailing brushes and a wash mitt. I'll be adding spa shampoo into the bucket. This is a pH neutral shampoo. This shampoo has got good cleaning properties and it creates a nice amount of suds. First, we'll give the wheels and the arches a rinse down. Then we'll be applying iron onto the alloy to loosen up the brake dust. You'll see the iron particles turning purple, meaning the product is doing its job dislodging the particles away from the alloy. Using citrus and applying the product onto the tyre and in the wheel arch. This is a powerful product to use to break down any road grime. Adding snow into a foamer at a dilution ratio of 1 to 10. This will help to get rid of any loose dirt particles that our hose spray gun can't shift. We'll be giving the barrel of the wheel a good scrub with a barrel brush. Then we'll move on to using the wash mitt on the spokes. Using a mitt instead of a brush will help cover larger areas and saving you time. The only time I'll use a detailing brush is in the tighter areas, the likes of the corner of the spokes and in the wheel nut area. We'll use a tyre scrubbing brush for the sidewall. This will ensure the tyre is clean for the choice of your dressing you want to apply. Take a barrel brush and scrub the arches to get rid of all the dirt and road grime from the spray you had from the wheels. The final part of the process is to give the wheel a thorough rinse down. Now you have a nice clean wheel without a pressure washer. Excuse the state of my alloy as it needs a refurb. I'll put a link in the description, and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more future content from us. We hope to see you in the next one.